Does Brian Daboll become creative? Do we get the quarterback sweep? Do we get conservative? Or do we allow him to drop back and throw this football and pick up the first down?
Allen has been excellent in the fourth quarter this year.
No, we're not going to allow him.
Touchdowns. Didn't throw an interception in the fourth quarter of games this year. Third down.
We're not going to allow him to pick up the first down here. He's about to mess up bad.
The ball is out, and Houston has it. That's Jacob Martin. It was Merciless who forced the fumble, and the Texans are in great shape now.
Oh, my gosh. He just...
We discussed it. Your playmakers have to make plays. It was J.J. Watt on the sack earlier. Now comes Whitney Merciless.
Good boy.
Left hand in there.
Give me that ball.
Playmakers for this Texans defense have changed the entire feeling.
We're about to change the momentum in this game. We're about to take the momentum back right now.
Whitney Merciless.